Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your loved ones with Guardian, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your loved ones with Guardian, start by visiting the official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Confirm your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to explore the features. Select Add Family Members to include your loved ones in your account. Enter their details, such as names, birthdays, and contact information. Choose the level of protection you want for each family member. Consider setting up location alerts for added peace of mind. Activate the emergency contact feature to ensure help is just a tap away. Review the privacy settings to customize who can see the information. Explore the resources and guides available on the platform. Make sure to encourage your loved ones to also download the Guardian app. Set up regular check-ins with your loved ones to ensure everything is functioning. Test the various features by simulating an emergency situation. Stay informed by keeping your contact information updated. Remember to review your settings periodically to ensure they meet your family's needs. By following these steps, you can effectively use Guardian to protect your loved ones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.